Hello everyone, I am Shiben Balakrishnan. I welcome you all to the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. Looking into the observed weather during the last week, as you can see, there was a tropical system in parts of southeast and southwest Bay of Bengal along equatorial Indian Ocean. So you can see the track which the system took all the way from southeast Bay of Bengal, making landfall over parts of northeast Sri Lanka around 0 UTC of 10th morning. The system initiated as a depression over parts of southeast Bay adjoining the east equatorial Indian Ocean, traveled north-northwestwards, intensified into deep depression and made landfall over parts of northern Sri Lanka as a depression on the morning of 10th and subsequently weekend thereafter. Here you can see the animation of IR channel from INSAT 3DS for the last 1 week. You can see with respect to southern parts of the country, the clouding is mostly associated with the deep depression which travel northwestwards and weaken subsequently. With respect to northern parts of the country, you can see cloud movement associated with the western disturbance impacting parts of North India and Western Himalayan region, with the WD's western disturbances giving light rainfall and snowfall over upper reaches of Western Himalayan region. This map, you can see the information of fog from the day microphysics image of INSAT 3DR. You can see the large scale dense fog has been prevalent over parts of Indo-Gangetic plain right from the 9th of January till the 11th of January. You can see the fog layer significantly reduced from East Uttar Pradesh over this period from 12th. However, parts of Haryana and Bihar is subjected with fog conditions right from the 12th of January, as you can see from this image, mostly concentrated over parts of Punjab, parts of Haryana. The lowest minimum temperature in the week has been observed over Balowal Sankwi in Punjab, 0 degrees Celsius on the 13th January. Looking into the minimum temperatures of today, Hisar reported a lowest temperature of 0.2 degrees Celsius and Pantnagar reported a lowest temperature of 0.5 degrees Celsius. Major stations over parts of northwest India reported temperatures in the range of 0 to 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. With respect to the maximum temperatures of West India, you can see station like Jammu Kashmir, station like Jammu, Chandigarh, Patiala, with maximum temperatures in the range of 7 to 10 degrees and departures in the range of minus 10 degrees. Severe cold wave condition as a result has been observed over major parts of Haryana, over parts of, you can say, Rajasthan, with cold wave conditions over parts of Jharkhand, Punjab, East Rajasthan and Odisha. Cold day and severe cold day conditions prevail over northwest India during second half of the week over Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. This is the weekly rainfall information. As you can see, the rainfall information or the rainfall in surplus over parts of South Peninsular India, mostly associated with the movement, the cloud movement and associated rainfall with the deep depression system over the region. The country as a whole experienced minus 73% departure from the normal climatology. These maps correspond to the IMD extended range forecast for the next 2 weeks. The rainfall information gives you the rainfall mostly confined to parts of Western Himalayan region for the first week, and the second week with respect to the western disturbance rainfall mostly prevalent over parts of Western Himalayan region and over parts of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and over parts of UP. When we look into the rainfall anomaly, you can see first week with negative anomaly over parts of Western Himalayan region and the second week with positive anomaly over parts of Western Himalayan region, over parts of Punjab, Haryana and over parts of West Rajasthan. When we look into the minimum temperature forecast from the extended range prediction, you can see the temperatures in the northern parts of the country hovering around 0 to 4 degrees Celsius for the next 2 weeks, whereas temperature in southern parts of the country is gradually rising. When we talk about the minimum anomaly temperatures, we can see the parts of Western Himalayan region forecasted with positive anomaly and parts of East India and Central India mostly focused with negative anomalies of minimum temperatures. The next 2 weeks scenario of cold wave is looking into the first week. We can say cold wave and associated minimum temperature is forecasted with highest probability to be over the lower side over parts of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and Himachal Pradesh, with The second week forecasted with above normal minimum temperatures over parts of Western Himalayan region, over major parts of North India and Northeast India. Looking into the extended range outlook for cyclogenesis based on various large-scale environmental factors and model guidance, it is inferred that no cyclogenesis is likely over the North Indian Ocean during the entire forecast period. For round-the-clock weather updates, kindly request you to follow IMD's social media handles. Thank you.